Hello guys and welcome to Christmas Academy. In this video we'll be designing something simple. So first of all, let's work on the size of our design. Click on create and click on custom size. So the size of our design is 1.5 by 1.5. So the first thing we do is to set our background. So this is the background we'll be using for this design, and we also import this image we'll also be using for this design. So we are done with this. So firstly, we set our background, set the image as background. So say set image as background, and we remove this background for this image. So after removing the background, we place it here. We crop it a little bit. We also crop it from this angle, and we increase the size. So we bring it here, and we increase it towards the side too. Next thing is to bring our blue effect. So go to elements and we search for blue effect. So we'll be going with this, and we bring it here. We reduce the size. So we first of all place it here, and we duplicate it. We just keep duplicating it to make it thick, and we are done with that part. So next is we apply a text. So for our text, we have neon, and we duplicate our text. So we have Friday, So next is the font. The font you'll be using for this. So we'll be using Archival Black, and we increase the size, bring it here, change the color to white. So after that, we check the effect, and we'll be using this outline. First of all, we change the color of the outline, and we use color picker. So we'll pick out this color here, and we increase the outline. Next thing is to increase the size. After increasing the size, we tilt it a little bit, send it backwards. So send it backwards, and we try to position it well. So we bring it down a little bit, and we increase the size. So this is what we have. So we do the same thing for this neon. First of all, we set the font to Archival Black, and the color, change the color to white. Go to effect, outline, and for the color, we use color picker to pick out this color, and we increase the outline too. So we raise it up, increase the size, and then we tilt it a little bit. So for this Friday, we bring it down a little bit, and this neon, we bring it here. We increase the size, and we bring it to this part. So we increase the size of our page so we can position it well, raise it up a little bit. So next we just duplicate, and we edit it. 28, put 28, and for the 28 we reduce the size. So this 20 is just like the date of the event. So we increase it and we duplicate it. So we edit this one too, say AUG, and we bring it here, but we reduce the size, we place it here, we duplicate it too, duplicate it, and we edit it to Friday. So the date of the event is 28th August, which is on a Friday. We bring it here, we reduce the size, so you can see 28th August Friday, neon Friday. And next we work on Neon Friday what? So it's more like Neon Friday Festival. So we'll be placing the festival at this part. So we just add a text box and we type in festival. Now this festival will be taking a different font. So we'll be using this Magnolia script, and let's try to place this word to reduce it a little bit, and we tilt it to fit with this Neon Friday, and we raise it up. And now the effect will be a little bit of different. We give it a shadow effect, and the color for the shadow should be blue. So this is dark blue we use for the outline for that Neon Friday. That is the color for the effect. And the direction, we check for the direction. Then we increase the offset. We increase it a little bit, and we are good with this. So come to element, and we'll be using this box. So we reduce the size of the box, we bring it here, and we drag it to the end. We reduce the size, so we have this, and inside this box we apply a text. So add a text box, and what we write there is, say, contact us on Instagram to purchase contact us on Instagram to purchase your ticket at. So just put, let's say something like Creative Art Academy. So assuming we are the organizers of the event, Creative Art Academy, of the party. So the font for this test should just be Canva Sans, and then we reduce the size, we increase the length of this, and we still reduce the size. So after reducing the size, if we see it, it looks so, jam packed, no spacing. So we increase the letter spacing, increase the letter spacing. So I think this is good, and after which we still reduce the size and we place it at the middle. Next is to work on the location. So we duplicate this and we edit it. So let's just say the location is 123 Main Street. Main Street. Then New York. New York 54321. So for this we increase the size, increase the letter spacing, and let's decrease the size a little bit. So we place it at the middle, and we are good with this. So what's left is another text. Let's just add a text box, and we say music policy by, we change the font. So for the font we'll be using Gagarin. The color is nice, but then we need to stand out. So for it to stand out, meaning we have to change something, and then we have to decrease the size of this too. So decrease the size from this side, and we add an effect to it. We add an outline. Should be same color, same dark blue. So the outline should just be, let's say, 100 is okay. So we reduce the size to 30, and we place it here. We duplicate, bring it down here, and we edit it. Let's add the DJ. So say DJ Favor and DJ Chicks. DJ Favor and DJ Chicks. We increase the size of this while placing it here. Increase the size again. So make sure it's at the middle, and let's change the color of this the DJ in particular. So let's zoom in. So we would highlight the DJ, and we change the color, or this. Let's see what that looks like. Okay, so we also apply the same color to this other DJ. So we highlight it and click on color, and we give it that same color. So let's zoom out. So we are not done yet. Next thing, we duplicate this. We duplicate it. We bring it over to this other side, and we edit it. So first of all, say free parking, free drink, live events. Now we are highlighting the stuff that will occur at the program or at the party, and hip hop music. So first of all, the spacing is much. So we decrease the line spacing because it's much, and the format, which is the alignment. This is better. We also reduce the size, and we place it here. So we duplicate this other one, we bring it here, and we edit it to $50. Now the color is meant to be white. So we bring it here. This is like the cost of our tickets, and let's duplicate this. We bring it over to this side, and we type entry. The color too. So the color should be the color of this DJ, which is this. So we place it here. So let's zoom out to view our work. Now we are not yet done, so we come to element. Let's come to element to add some finishing touches. So we say this speed sign. So we'll be going with this one, and we change the color. So we use color picker to pick a particular color that we want, because the colors here are not really what we want. So let's see this. Okay, let's go with this one, and then we reduce the size, place it here. So let's modify this color. Let's choose the lighter version of it, or should I say a brighter version. Yeah, so this is perfect. And then let's place this well. So place this here, and then we duplicate it and also place it here. So at this point we just flip horizontal, and we place it here too, and this is good. So next thing might want to add, let's see a light bulb. Let's see a white light bulb. So let's check under photos if you can see something like that. So we'll just use this one, and we remove the background. So this bulb is like making look as if this is the bulb in the club. You can see this our background already look like a club, so it's more like the light in the club is coming from this bulb. So we tilt it a little bit and raise it up. We blur it. So go to edit and scroll down to blur. So we are blurring the entire image. Let's say 50%. Okay, this is good, and we duplicate it, and then we tilt it towards this way. We bring it here. So if you take note of the tilting, this is for this one is actually 9, and for here it is -9. So everything have to be in uniform. And with this, we've been able to touch all aspects of our design, and we can boldly say we are almost done. So let's zoom in to see our design properly, and with this we can say we are done. This is how we created this simple party flyer. So it's more like a neon Friday Festival Flier. It's just like a club or a night party, or a carnival. You can use this pattern to create simple flyers like this. If you enjoyed the video, ensure you subscribe, like, and leave your questions in the comment section. And also, you can also raise the design in the comment section.